Better world. Better world. Better world. Better world. I wish this was a better world. Better world. Better world. I wish this was a better world. I wish this world was a better place, where there is pure love towards each other, no matter your gender or race, no matter your ability or disability. When will that day come, when we all live in peace, where there is no jealousy, we support each other's dreams and help each other out in a time of need? If we all think like that, then there is no reason this can't be achieved. I know this is a day everyone would like to see. Even though everyone wants to see this, it feels like we can't reach that stage. Throughout all different generations, it's always been a debate of why we can't live happily as one human race. Out of the stark mentality, are we going to escape? We've got to try and make things better for the next generation, so there is no hate or malice and no segregation. I definitely believe this can happen. We just have to put our minds together and take action. Better world. Better world. Better world. Better world. Better world. Better world. I wish this was a better world. Better world. Better world. Better world. Better world. I wish this was a better world.